Chen Lujo was asked about his family situation, and he answered, feeling confused. It didn't seem related to his medical visit. Shuji's father told Chen Lujo to go get checked first. When Chen Lujo came out, Zhu Yangqi asked how it went, saying it concerned Chen Lujo's future happiness. Chen Lujo still didn't understand what the doctor meant, as he hadn't said anything but just asked about his family. Zhu Yangqi suspected the doctor might be hinting for a red envelope. Chen Lujo returned, saying it didn't hurt much anymore and he wanted to head back first. Shuji's father explained it was just an external injury and typically would heal in a day or two, but if it didn't get better in a week, he'd need to come for a follow up. Kai Yingying's father came in and recognized Chen Lujo. Shuji's father found a red envelope tucked in a book and was shocked. He hadn't expected that from Chen Lujo, so he quickly handed it in. Shuji and Chai Yingying met the photographer Feng Jin. Feng Jin talked about a skilled photographer he used to know. His documentary footage had aired on TV and his photos were featured in magazines. Shuji and the others had originally come to check out the store, but Shuji found that the quality of the actual products wasn't very good. Feng Jin advised Shuji to take the job seriously. After all, you can't bite the hand that feeds you. Shuji transferred a chat feed to Chen Lujo and arranged to meet and talk. When they met, Shuji told him about the store, saying she couldn't bring herself to praise it against her conscience. Chen Lujo told her that if she didn't want to do it, she simply didn't have to. Shuji ate a bowl of noodles and wanted to pack another one, saying she and Kai Yingying had been running around all day and hadn't eaten a bite. Shuji asked what Chen Lujo was working on lately, and he said Uncle Fu had found him a job with a racing team and he was currently filming with them. Shuji heard that Chen Lujo had to film again the next day and said she wanted to go watch. Chen Lujo agreed. Meanwhile, his colleague had a conflict with the racer Liu Yang. Liu Yang told the photographer not to disturb his training and threatened to smash his equipment if he did. Chen Lujo came over and said that the car was Liu Yang's treasure, but the camera equipment was someone else's treasure. If he needed finish line shots, he would take them himself. Chen Lujo took the shots for Liu Yang, and everyone agreed they looked great. Shuji messaged Chen Lujo saying that Chai Yingying was pressing her about where she was going, so she had to tell her. Now both Kai Yingying and Feng Jin wanted to come too. Chen Lujo said, whatever, and Shuji wondered if he was upset. When Feng Jin met Chen Lujo, he was very excited. It turned out Chen Lujo was his idol. Feng Jin brought food for everyone and asked Shuji if she was close with Chen Lujo. Shuji said not really. Chen Lujo heard this from outside the door. Chai Yingying dragged Feng Jin off to buy drinks. Shuji asked Chen Lujo if there was any more filming to do that night. Chen Lujo said no. Shuji then suggested he go back with them, but Chen Lujo was upset. He asked if Shuji was close with Feng Jin. Shuji said she wasn't even that close with Zhu Yangqi. Chen Lujo then asked why she didn't split costs with Feng Jin. Was she close with everyone except him? He asked what it would take to be considered close. Was watching a meteor shower together? Not close. Was drinking together? Not close. Shuji said Feng Jin had talked about a lot of things regarding Chen Lujo that she didn't know, and she felt she didn't really understand him. Only then did Chen Lujo realize that was the issue. Chen Lujo left to pick up his friend's sister, and Shuji overheard Liu Yang mocking Chen Lujo, saying he was just a spoiled rich kid, and his photos weren't even worth looking at. Shuji challenged Liu Yang to a race. If he lost, he had to apologize to Chen Lujo in person. Chen Lujo got a call and found out about the race between Shuji and Liu Yang. He rushed over. Shuji did very well and suggested a long-distance race. She started off behind because she wasn't used to the track, but later sped up and looked likely to win. Liu Yang noticed Shuji had been observing his habits and got flustered. He failed to brake properly in a turn and crashed into Shuji. Both of them fell to the ground. Chen Lujo rushed over and carried Shuji away on his back.